Brother Ramananda, me Ramakanta. This is jackfruit, the largest wild fruit on earth, just next to my home. And we know how to know whether it is ripe or not. Unripe. Unripe. Ripe.
Super.
Smells amazing. Take it, me, take it. ನಾನು ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಬೋದು ನಾನು
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ನಾವಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫೋಟೋ
ಆತ್ಮಾರಾಮ್